Welcome to Nene Nails. Today I'm going to show you what is the difference between all these little different UV and LED lamps. The LED, so this one here, all right, so user friendly, it does not have any cords. These are the new bee's knees at the minute. So less cords in the salon is always better, okay? So you've got your touch pad and you've also got an auto sensor. So you can just place your hands in, and that's really handy when you're in salon. You can see some really powerful lights here, okay? So this is a 48-watt lamp. You can see on the sides and down below that you are going to be able to cure your nails properly because you've got your little lights down on the sides here as well. So sometimes the thumbs and the pinkies can be hard to cure. So something like this is great. Also, you've got your guide for your fingers. So if your client is unsure where to place, this is handy because they've got like little divots and you can just place your hand down here like that in the little divots, and then you know that your client is getting a correct cure. Now, I have seen some LED lamps in the past and they basically, they might not have a backing or something like that, and that's really hard because they could pretty much put their whole hand through and not getting a proper cure, and then you're going to run into some problems after with lifting or product breakdown because your product is not cured properly. Okay, so LED lamps are what every salon should have. You can also have this in a home salon. You don't have to go as fancy or as extreme, but if you want something professional, we do recommend having one LED lamp on your nail table or two, one for each hand. Okay, now, then we're getting into the soft gel tips. So let's first of all start with these two little lamps here. So how cute is this? When I first saw these, I had to get one. I just thought they were adorable. They sit on your little desk. They come in all sorts of colors and they have just enough cure to do a nice soft cure. So they sit on your desk, super cute, perfect for travel at home. If you're going away to a hotel, you gotta do a nail repair or something like that. You wouldn't be really curing gel polish with these little lamps here. This is literally just for a flash cure. So perhaps if you're doing some hard gel extensions and sculpting and you don't want the gel to slide down the floor, you can do a little flash cure before you move on to the next nail. Predominantly, these are used for the world of soft gel tips, okay? So, what you would do is pop your gel on your soft gel tip, and you will see I do have a previous tutorial on how to do those. So then you would just place your soft gel tips underneath the little light, press and hold and cure. And then you are done. Okay, so now some feedback for this one here. If you're in a salon, I found that I couldn't turn it around and see my client's nails enough for me to be able to get the desired result, or maybe able to maneuver it enough as what I would like to. So it's a great flash cure lamp, but in salon I found that I struggled to be able to see my client's nails. But perfect for at home, super cute. I still have one for my own nails anyway. Now, the little torch cure. Really cute as well, great. I have also used this in salon. I have had some of my staff prefer this than more of your LED lights that have a bit of a neck on them. This one here, great for travel, great for home. You can use your stabilizer pinky and cure, get up nice and close. One of my staff members actually likes to get his clients to hold the light down, and then he can just cure like that. So these are great. Also, just make sure though that you're getting the correct watt or output, okay? So not all of these lamps come in the same watt. So you're going to tell the difference between something that shows up and has 6 watts. It's not going to cure as well than something that has, 24 watts, for example, such as this one. So once again, this is the Flash Cure range for soft gel tips. I am obsessed with this lamp. This is honestly the best one that I've had by far. It's nice and stable on the table. It's not flimsy. Some of them topple over. The neck is incredible. I like the fact that you can bend on your nail table and I can curl it right round. I also love that I can turn it on just from the back, super easy. So when I have a client in front of me and we're doing some soft gel tips, okay, I like to make sure this is bent right down like that I can bring my client to the front and hold and press. Okay, it's really easy for me. I like this because it frees up both of my hands and I'm able to pull the client's nail close, and I can also see down below. I mean, you know, if you can go as high or low as you want, but for me, I like it high because, you know, but for me, I can kind of bring the client's hands up and I can still see if it's curing and to make sure I'm pushing out any air bubbles in the soft gel tips. So also, this is a 24 watt, so super powerful. Now, I don't know if you've ever had soft gel tips and the watt on your flash cure lamp has been quite low, and then all of a sudden, you know, it's kind of wanting to slip and slide everywhere. This, I literally put it under and you can just feel it, and it just sticks, it just cures straight up. And I'm so used to massaging in the gel into my soft gel tips until it cures. So this here is a game changer because it literally just places that hold straight away, cures, and then I can just make sure all the sides are sealed. So there you have it, guys. Okay, so questions that we usually get. Can these cure gel polish? Look, not ideal. As I said, usually flash cure lamps go between 6 watts to 24. Something that I wouldn't recommend to cure gel polish. Gel polish, you know, you at least want something like a 36 watt. I have seen little dome lamps as well that are 88 watts, so still a great output, but it might not be big enough to fit a client's hand in and get all the curing time in there. So the other thing that I love about these is that they are portable and perfect for just a USB. So great to travel, and if you've got your nail table, you don't have to worry about all extra cords. I can just have just the one, or you can just plug the USB into the back of your lamp. So there you have it, guys. If you've got any questions at all, I'm doing daily tutorials based on your comments below, and I'll pick one daily comment for a suggestion for a tutorial. I'll record it ready for the next day. So I hope you enjoyed, and chat soon.